Dear viewers, let us see the home automation concept using Arduino with TinkerCAD open source software. So already we have seen lot of sensors with the help of open source software TinkerCAD and which is connected with the Arduino. How can you simulate the program and how can you get the output? Likewise, we have seen lot of experiments. So today let us see the home automation concept with the help of what are the different concepts we have seen already. So for this I have taken the 4 conditions. What are the conditions considered here? So first concept is door lock system. So the automatic door lock opening and closing concept. So for this we have to take the ultrasonic sensor. So the ranges are taken as a 25 to 100 centimeter. If any one of the persons stand in front of the door within the range of 25 to 100 centimeter, automatically the door will be open. Otherwise, the door will be in closed condition. So this is first concept which can be included in our home automation concept. Second, we move to automatic room light control. So by using PIR sensor, if any one of the person enter into the room, then lights will be on. Otherwise, all lights will be in off condition. So third concept, automatic fan control. So by using LM35 temperature sensor, we are going to implement this concept. If the room temperature will be greater than 30 degree, then the motor will be goes to on condition. Otherwise, it will be in off condition. So last concept, night security alarm. So in recent days, a lot of theft is happened in a lot of areas. So to overcome this concept by using ultrasonic sensor, if any one of the person stand near to the home within the range of 6 centimeter to 330 centimeter, then the buzzer will be on and automatically it will give the alert sound to the persons, those who are inside the house. Otherwise, it will be in off condition. So this is a concept of home automation. With the help of Arduino and TinkerCAD open source software, we can see this concept. So this is a block diagram. So in workspace already I have drawn the diagram. So we just take Arduino Uno board from this basic component area and drag it and place it on the workspace, and first ultrasonic sensor. So totally we have to use 4 sensors. So in left hand side I just place all the input devices, because first ultrasonic sensor is this sensor, and PIR sensor is this concept, and next it is a temperature sensor, and this is one more ultrasonic sensor. These 4 components are act as a input device for our application, and for this we are going to use 4 outputs. One is LED, and another is servo motor, and one is DC motor, and another is buzzer alarm. So these are the 4 input sensors and 4 output components we are using in this home automation concept. So here each and every sensors, that is input device and output device, has the various pins. So for ultrasonic sensor, totally 4 pins are available. One pin is ground, another is power pin, that is plus VCC, that is connected with this Arduino plus VCC pin number, and also ground. Similarly, the echo is another pin and trigger is another pin. Both 2 pins are connected with this digital pins. So this is first ultrasonic sensor, which is used to find the operation of automatic door open and close condition. So this servo motor will be rotated in 90 degree condition. So normally servo motor can be rotated both clockwise and anti-clockwise up to 180 degree. So for this condition, I just take only 90 degree rotation. So next, this is a PIR sensor. In this PIR sensor, we have 3 terminals. One terminal is power and another is signal, last is ground. So ground is connected with this Arduino Uno ground pin, and power also connected with plus VCC, and the signal pin is connected with this input pin. So, and third concept is temperature sensor. With the help of room temperature, we set some threshold value 30 degrees Celsius. If the temperature value greater than 30 degrees, automatically motor will be on. So last case is one more ultrasonic sensor which is used for avoiding theft problem in our home. So that is used for night security alarm. So one input is connected with power and another is connected with the ground. Echo pin is connected with receiver pin, and the trigger pin is also connected with this one more digital pin. Here I use 6th and 7th pin for connection of echo and trigger pin of second ultrasonic sensor. And apart from this, we are using this LED. So here for first ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor will be in on condition up to 90 degree. Based on the ranges, those who are stand in front of 25 to 100 centimeter, automatically the door will be open. That door open condition is indicated here. The motor is rotated up to 90 degree. When the persons are not stand in front of the door, the servo motor begins or retained in the same position, that is it is on off condition. So next PIR sensor is the input and one LED is the output. So at the time any one of the person enter into the room, automatically the light will be on. So this is our concept. So for this here I use only one LED. When the PIR sensor track the persons nearest to the enter into the room, the LED will be glow. Otherwise LED will be in off condition. So for third condition, temperature sensor value, if we increase the temperature ranges greater than 30 degree, automatically the DC motor will be on. If it is less than 30 degree, DC motor goes to off condition. So for last case, buzzer alarm will be indicated when the ultrasonic sensor ranges are in between of 6 to 330 centimeter. That means the theft is stand in front of our home is detected by the person, those who are inside the home. So automatically the buzzer will create the sound at this indication will be given to the persons. Otherwise the buzzer goes to off condition. So this is a concept behind this automatic home application. So simply we can title it as a home automation concept. So now I move for coding area. So here first hash include servo.h. Here we are using servo motor. So for this we have to include this servo motor in this library files. So for this the hash include servo.h keyword, and the syntax should be added here. Next is servo s. So servo motor is assigned by servo and the corresponding variable is denoted as small s. And for first ultrasonic sensor, trigger is one signal, echo is another signal. These two signal pins are connected with digital pin 13 and 5th. So this is indicated or declared in integer data type. So int trigger equal to 13, int echo equal to 5. And next PIR sensor, for this int PIR equal to 7, that is PIR sensor is now connected with 7th pin and LED is connected with 12th pin. Next int DC motor equal to 2, and int TR is second ultrasonic sensor trigger pin and another echo pin. The corresponding variable is renamed by TR and EC. So int TR equal to 8 is assigned and another int EC equal to 6 also assigned. Next for buzzer, BUZZ bus is assigned and it is in 10th pin. Next void setup function. In this function s dot attach of 3 is included. Pin mode of trigger output. TRIG is first ultrasonic sensor trigger input variable. that is assigned as a output, and pin mode echo comma input. So echo input variable assigned as a input. Next pin mode LED comma output. Here LED act as a output. So we are mentioning it is in output form in pin mode. Next PIR is input. We are getting the input from PIR sensor, that is analog input. So PIR comma input is declared here. Next pin mode of DC motor comma output. Motor DC motor act as output. So here we mentioned like this, and pin mode TR comma output, EC comma input also. Another trigger and echo pin for the second ultrasonic sensor. That is represented in different variable here, and pin mode buzzer comma output also mentioned here. So if you want to see the all on and off condition in serial monitor, for this you have to initialize serial.begin 9600 baud rate. So with the help of this function, we can easily monitor what is the on condition and off condition of each and every motor or light. Everything can be determined with the help of this serial monitor. Next we move to void loop function. In this digital write of trigger comma 0, digital write of trigger comma 1, and delay microseconds of 10, and digital write of trigger comma 0 is taken place. So this is for first ultrasonic sensor, off, on, off. This condition is continuously going on. For this we are giving trigger value 0, 1, 0, and some delay also given for this condition, that is indicated in microseconds, that is 10 microseconds. Next we have to calculate the duration. So we are getting the input from echo of this ultrasonic sensor 1. So whenever it goes to high, automatically the corresponding pulse input can be received. That will be stored in this duration variable, that is declared in float data type. And we have to find the distance. So float distance equal to duration into 0.0343 divided by 2. Normally this distance can be determined with the help of this formula, and if the distance value is greater than or equal to 25 and less than 100, the S dot right of 90 degree, that means servo motor will be rotated in 90 degree. Else the servo motor goes to off condition, that means simply it is in off condition. Next, int PIR state equal to digital read of PIR. So what is the data which is read by this PIR variable? That is in the form of digital format. So the digital read of PIR is taken here, which is assigned in the PIR state variable. It is declared in int data type. If the PIR state equal to 1, the digital write of LED high. That means the PIR status, any one of the person come inside the particular room, automatically the LED goes to on. So this PIR state equal to 1 means the person stand in the room or enters into the room. That is the status, PIR state equal to 1. Digital write of LED high. Else the digital write of LED low, that means no person inside the room, automatically the LED will be low. Next, double temperature equal to analog read of A0. So the temperature sensor is an analog value. This can be easily read by this analog A0. So the analog read of A0 is assigned in a temp variable, and the corresponding data type will be doubled. So here temp equal to temp divided by 1024. So the maximum temperature value can be determined with the help of this 1024. The range can be 0 to 225. So for this, the original temperature is divided by 1024, which is multiplied with 5 volt, and the difference of this value will be 0.5. Finally, we can convert this original temperature value into degree Celsius. So for that, we multiply that value into 100. So we get the temperature value in terms of degree Celsius. If the temperature value greater than or equal to 30 degrees Celsius, the digital write of DC motor comma high. That means the DC motor will be in on condition when the temperature goes greater than 30 degree. Otherwise, DC motor goes low. That means the motor will be in off condition. Next, digital write of TR comma 0. So this is assigned for second ultrasonic sensor. digital write of TR0, TR1, again TR0. That means initially we have to set a 0 and next it moves to 1 and again it goes to 0. 0, 1, 0 concept is followed here. So for this digital write of TR, 0, 1, 0 is taken and some time delay must be taken here in the form of microseconds, that is 10 microsecond. Lastly, we can find the float duration equal to pulse in of EC, high and float distance. This concept already we have seen in the first ultrasonic sensor. The same will be followed here. If the distance range is greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to 330, automatically the tone syntax or keyword can be used for switch on the buzzer. So the buzzer, 440, this 440 indicates the frequency level for buzzer. So else the no tone will be indicated. That means if the distance value in between of this range, automatically the buzzer sound will be on. Buzzer on means the theft is going to happen in the particular home can be easily detected by the persons, those who are inside the house. So for this, the buzzer alarm is used in night security purpose. If the condition is not satisfied, there will be no buzzer sound. So simply it is in off condition. So this is the coding explanation for this home automation concept. Let us simulate our program. So I just give start simulation. Now the simulation process is going on. First you can increase the range of this. First ultrasonic sensor. If the range is followed or in between of this 25 to 100 centimeter, automatically the servo motor is rotated in 90 degree. You can see this here. So if the range is beyond this, the servo motor goes to 0 condition. That means it is in off condition. So for PAR sensor, if the person enter into the room, the LED is in glow condition. You can see here the green color LED is glow here. If the person not enter into the home, automatically the LED will be in off condition. So this can be viewed by this movement of this PAR sensor. And next category is temperature. So the temperature sensor is greater than 30 degrees Celsius. DC motor is rotated very fast. You can see here. I just increase the temperature value. So greater than 30 degrees Celsius. So for this the DC motor is rotated here. Now I just reduce the temperature value here below 30 degree. You can see now the motor is in off condition. That means the DC motor is not rotated here. So this is third concept. And last concept, we are taking this ultrasonic sensor. Person move to the range what we have fixed already, automatically the buzzer goes off condition. So if cross this range or limit, automatically buzzer goes off condition. So this is a concept for automatic control of various devices. So we can give the name of home automation concept by using various sensor like ultrasonic sensor, PAR sensor, temperature sensor, etc. I hope everyone understand this concept because we have seen lot of sensor concept in previous videos. With the help of all the sensors, here I make a one small real-time application concept. I think everyone understand this concept, and all of you try once again to do personally with the help of this software. Then only you can improve your programming knowledge. Thank you all. If you really like this video, kindly subscribe. Thank you.